am Shali Sikawar with my team member Prasiksha Tiwari, Swani Tiwari and Vital Sharma. I am here to give a presentation on the topic mechanism dispute resolution in service sector. First we discuss about dispute resolution, or we can say that dispute settlement involve bringing two or more dispute resolving parties to clear understanding wherein their differences are ironed out. It points to every techniques applied for tackling dispute between entities. In turn refer to number of processes that can resolve conflict, dispute or claim. Here we discuss about some objective resolution. Enable the employee to hear the grievance, to clarify the nature of the grievance, to investigate the reason for dissatisfaction, to obtain where possible a speed resolution to the problem, to take appropriate action and ensure that promises are kept. Now we discuss about the method of the dispute resolution. Avoidance, it is this is an intentional plan to avoid for resentment by sorting out critical issues independently without challenging or unsetting the other part. Now move to the negotiation. Move to the negotiation. This is the process of finding point of balance between your objective and that of other parties. Now move to the mediation. It is an alternative dispute resolution in which dispute parties are allowed the third party to independently. Now move to the peer review panel. Peer review panel, it is a dispute resolution method in which peers such as manager shall be placed in a panel to evaluate and resolve matter pertaining to their colleagues. Further will be discussed by Prasiksha Tiwari. Thank you.
Dispute resolution method is conciliation. Conciliation is a similar to mediation except for the active role of the third party conciliator in putting forward suggestion of compromise. Its structure to bring disputing parties to a acceptable agreement through concessions. There are variation of conciliator power in conciliation practices of some countries. Next is arbitration. Arbitration is a formal submission of dispute to one or more arbitrators for a decision to be reached. This is a quasi-judicial method or system. Arbitration clause in the contract shows the terms of arbitration between the parties. Decision are blending depending on the terms of arbitration as inherent in the arbitration court imposed arbitration is blending. Next one is litigation. Litigation is a legal process for taking dispute through standard court with the aim of engaging in judicially contest to achieve credible settlements.
This is Vital Sharma. I am here to explain the 5 W's of grievance investigation. First one is where did it happens. Where means a place, when did it happen, time, at what time does grievance happen, who is involved, the person who are involved in this, who are the persons which are involved in this, why is it grievable, why means the reason, what happened exactly here it means that what was the exact reason, what happens for this grievance investigation. Now the characteristics of dispute resolution. Legitimate means किसी भी कंपनी का क्लियर ट्रांसपेरेंट एंड इंडिपेंडेंट गवर्नमेंट स्ट्रक्चर होना चाहिए हमेशा, जिससे कोई भी आदमी किसी अदर पर्सन के बारे में इंटरफेयर ना करे कंपनी में. सेकेंड वन इज प्रिडिक्टेबल. जो भी मैकेनिज्म कंपनी फॉर्म करती है दैट शुड बी क्लियर एंड इट हैव नोन प्रोसीजर विद टाइम फ्रेम टू अदर्स. थर्ड वन इज equitable means the person who is problem solver, he or she must ensure that the person who has created the problem is under all source information and must know, the problem solver must know all the information about that problem or about that problem, and should give the advice to the equitable person, correct advice. Now the last one is transparent. जो ग्रीवियंस ट्रांसपेरेंट मीन्स जो ग्रीवियंस प्रोसेस है वो ट्रांसपेरेंट होना चाहिए, और इसका आउटकम जो भी हो वो पब्लिक के इंटरेस्ट से कंसर्न होना चाहिए. The total outcome should be concerned with the public interest.
Study of grievance handling procedure in SCL. SCL is the fourth largest IT company in India and it is ranked 40th globally. SCL is founded by Mr. Shiv Nadar in 12 November 1991. SCL is having 85,000 of employees all over the world. Now we are taking SCL Noida Center where we take the study. SCL is having total 4 centers in India, and in Noida sector 60 they are having their center, and in which they are having 4,350 employees working. In that senior HR manager is there, 5 HR heads are there, and 10 assistant HR are working on that center. They are handling 5 different business units in the organization. Business units like project manager, engineers, senior engineers, team leaders in the organization. Now what is there is a process of grievance handling. First they are following the step ladder method, in which they have to register, in which the person have to register online on the portal of their organization. Then the person have to prepare the Excel sheet in which he or she is explaining why he or she have to mention their name, job profile, employee ID, and the problem he or she is facing in the organization. And on the other day the sufferer is having the interview from with the project manager, where project manager is going to listen their all the problems related to the organization. Next, on every step of the procedure, the project manager is having the certain time limit to solve the problem. Now when the project manager solving the problem, they have to convey all the message to the sufferer, and the committee they are having the committee of 6 members, where HR head, HR manager, chairperson and legal advisor is there. It is the last step before attribution.
This is the graph or mechanism, or we can say this is a step of grievance procedure. We can follow these step, then settlement, or we can use one step and directly attain the resolution settlement. First is uploading grievance on portal, second is project manager within 3 days, third is view head within 14 days, next step is department and HR within 20 days, and next is grievance committee within 30 days. We can use these all are steps, or we can directly or we achieve directly settlement by 1 step, 2 step or 3 step. Next is uses of dispute resolution. Well-designed grievance mechanism have multiple and sometimes divergent point of applications, but are typically used by monitoring, auditing, project oversight, supply chain management, stakeholder engagement. Grievance mechanism can deal with most kind of grievance, bar those raising criminal liabilities, including but by no means limited to those that reflect substance, human labor, right concern. As such, right compatibility, right concern mechanism much work to integrate human rights norms and standards into their process, and are based on principles of non-discrimination, equity, accountability, empowerment and participations. Thank you.